Have you ever wondered what your home's worth? In today's market that's ever shifting with the interest rates climbing and dropping, it's really hard to kind of nail down what your home is worth by yourself. Hi, I'm Leland Titus. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 ways to figure out what your current home is currently valued at in today's market. The first way to figure out what your home is worth is to look at comparable sales. This means sold comps that have sold in your neighborhood of like size. You can do this by requesting information from me, your realtor, or maybe going off of some sold data that you find on Zillow or other online valuation places. Keep in mind that the most accurate information is not going to be disclosed due to New Mexico being a non-disclosure state. So if you're thinking about maybe potentially selling, or you just want to kind of know a rough estimate of your value, reach out to me, see if I can send you some sold comps. Sold comps are the best way to know what your home is worth. Again, just reach out and I can send you something in your neighborhood. The second method is to hire an appraiser. An appraiser is a professional whose job it is to value homes. They usually work for things like banks or mortgage companies. These people go through every feature of the home, the age of every feature, and they build out a mathematical report to allow you to know exactly what your home is worth. Usually you would not hire them on your own just for informational purposes. Usually they're hired through a bank or a mortgage company if you're doing a refinance or maybe even purchasing a home. So before you run out and hire an appraiser, just kind of be aware of what your use is and what you actually need the information for. Appraisers are great. They will give you an amazing report and you'll really know what that value is. But also it costs a lot of money. So if you just want to know a rough value, give me a call. Again, I will be happy to kind of give you a rough estimate, or maybe even come out and visit your home and give you a dialed in report as well. The third way is to use various online home valuation tools like Zillow. You've heard of the Zestimate. The homes.com has one. My website, lelandtitus.com, has one. So you can just go in, put in your address, put in some rough information of your property, and it'll spit out a value. The issue with these is, again, that New Mexico is a non-disclosure state, so they're just going off of estimates. The report will vary. I've seen it vary as much as 20% on Zestimates, for instance. If you're just looking for a rough idea, rough estimate, this is a great quick way to get it. Any online home valuation thing will give you a good estimate. Again, like Zillow.com, lelandtitus.com, homes.com, they all have them. It's a quick, rough estimate, and again, not very accurate. So if you want more accurate information, get a hold of me. I'm happy to help. Now that you know how to find the value of your home and you're armed with that information, you'll be able to move forward with that knowledge and make better decisions in life about what you're going to do with that home. But if you ever need any help or you have any questions about the market or anything that I can do, or even just have a conversation, I'm always happy to help. Feel free to reach out. I can give you a quick valuation of the property. This has been Leland Titus. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. If you guys have any subjects you want me to talk on, feel free to reach out. I would love to make a video with a request from a prospective client or an old client or a friend. Anyways, hope you guys have a great one. We'll see you on the next video.